Yo, what's going on everybody? Today I'm gonna be solving a problem for all of you guys. This is my PC setup, and as you guys can see, I have my PC on a pretty weird position and I want it closer to the wall. But it's a very tight space, so that is a bit of a problem, as you guys can clearly tell. And we have an HDMI cable back there, but it doesn't really fit into tight places. As you guys can see, this is how it looks, and I really don't want to damage my HDMI port. If you have an Xbox, PlayStation 5 or PC, you know your HDMI port sometimes breaks, and that is exactly the reason, because this cable kinda just like adds weight to them in the long term and then they break. But not to worry, I have a product to review today. It's the VCELINK HDMI Adapter, and as you guys can see, it basically eliminates this problem. And this is how it looks, guys, and they have really good reviews on Amazon if you guys want to check it out. But let's get into the unpackaging of the VCELINK adapter. Over here I just have one of them at the moment, but you can get 4 on Amazon, which would fit on either your Xbox, your PlayStation, your PC, whatever you might have, even your TV. So there you go, guys. We're quickly gonna unpackage this and I'll show you guys what is actually in this package and how to use it, and how, of course, to install it on your PC so it doesn't damage. Because HDMI cables close to the wall is very bad on your HDMI port, but not to worry, this VCELINK adapter will completely eliminate that problem. If you're opening up the package, you just get this HDMI adapter over here, and I really like what I did with the packaging. It's nothing fancy, but it is really fun to open, because we really don't want to spend a lot of time opening such a cool product for our PC just to not get damaged. So I really like the packaging. And over here you guys can see is the adapter itself. It is made with very high quality materials, and you get a lifetime long limited warranty, and it supports 8K at 60Hz or 4K at 120Hz, which is really all you need, considering this is a very good adapter for your gaming needs. Over here we're quickly gonna plug it into the HDMI port so I can clearly demonstrate how you guys can do it. And over here, as you guys can see, it is now plugged in. Now of course we need to connect our HDMI cable. That is the moment of truth, guys. This is how it will look. Of course, there is 4 different ones of these in the pack, so you guys can get all 4 of them. I would actually recommend that, so you guys do not have any issues with compatibility. This is how it looked before. As you guys can see, very high damage to the HDMI port in the long term. This was the setup. I can't really put my PC close to the wall. As you guys can clearly see, it's already there. This is with the VCELINK adapter, of course, and now it is a lot better and we can actually have it closer to the wall. And I think my setup kind of looks a lot cleaner this way, to be honest with you guys, and it doesn't look quite as weird. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure to check out the VCELINK website. I did link both of the 270-degree HDMI adapter and the 90-degree one, whichever one you guys want to buy, of course, or check it out on Amazon, because there is actually a pack of all 4 of them you guys can get. It is about $7 to $8, and you get all 4 of them, which will be wider compatible with all your equipment in case one of them doesn't work, because of course you guys know some graphics cards are to 70 degrees, some Xboxes are maybe 90 degrees, guys. So it is just best to buy the multi-pack of 4, and you guys can basically be sure that everyone is working and compatible with all your devices. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, that's just basically how to improve your gaming setup for a very affordable, high quality product from VCELINK. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.